My name is Famari Barro. I'm the program manager for West Africa region based in USA, Plan USA. But before coming to the US, I was a country director in Niger for 4 years. We have a microfinance program there. We implemented a pilot program on microfinance in Niger, Senegal, and Sierra Leone. A microfinance program targeting the youth of 15 to 24 years old. We use the village saving and loan mechanism. It's a mechanism that we are very familiar with because we started using that methodology with the women groups. Women groups, for example, in Niger, we had 600 women groups, which had about 11,000 women organizing those women groups of saving and loans associations. So we gain a lot of experience on that, and then when we start designing this project, we get the youth involved in the design of the project, so that they indicated exactly what they wanted, and we had a long discussion and assessment with them to try to find out how we can better carry out that project with them. So the village saving and loan methodology is a kind of community managed microfinance program. Is very cost effective and very adapted to poor people. So what we organize, the way we organize it is that the children, the youth of 15 to 24 years organize themselves in small group of 15 to 25 people. They select those participants themselves. The participant that they trust, they know, and they want to work with. So then they organize themselves in a small group, and our contribution is to help them, to train them on how to manage an association. Okay, quite frankly, they are not extremely different, but they are a little bit more committed, more engaged because they have energy, the dynamic, stuff like that. Maybe people, they will not trust at the beginning. It's a little bit difficult, to get people involved. Because they don't believe in it, because a lot of NGOs came in, and they promised things, but sometimes it can be difficult to start to build the trust. But one of the problems that I see with these kind of projects, you work in those areas, and you are not the only institution operating there. So all the effort that you put together to try to put those associations and to set them up, and then to train people, to take all the time that is required, to make sure that things are done the right way. And then you can get some institution, some organization that came in, start distributing loans, and it disrupts completely all the effort that you put together to try to establish the financial discipline, to get people to be trained. That's the biggest challenge that we face in this kind of project. With microfinance institutions, you have a lot of costs. You have to buy computers, a lot of motorbikes, a lot of stuff like that. That you do not incur in this system.